Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open Chrome Developer Tools in a new window. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll notice three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options and settings. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for an option labeled More Tools and hover your mouse cursor over it. When you hover over More Tools, you'll see a secondary menu slide out to the side. This submenu contains additional Chrome utilities and features that aren't displayed in the main menu, giving you access to more specialized browser functions. From this secondary menu, locate and click on Developer Tools. This is Chrome's built-in suite of web development and debugging tools that allow you to inspect web page elements, debug JavaScript, analyze network activity, and much more. Clicking this option will activate the Developer Tools interface, which is essential for web developers and anyone who needs to examine how websites are structured and functioning. Now you'll notice that the Developer Tools panel appears on the right side of your browser window by default. This panel takes up a portion of your screen space, which can sometimes make it difficult to view both the web page and the tools simultaneously, especially if you're working on a complex debugging task or need more screen real estate. To open the Developer Tools in a separate window, click on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the Developer Tools panel itself. This will open a settings menu specifically for the Developer Tools. In this menu, you'll see an option called Dock Side, which controls where and how the Developer Tools are displayed in relation to your browser window. This setting gives you flexibility in how you arrange your workspace. Under Dock Side, click on the first icon, which represents the option to undock into a separate window. This icon typically looks like a small window symbol. Once you click it, the Developer Tools will immediately pop out into their own independent window, separate from your main Chrome browser window. This gives you the freedom to position the tools on a second monitor or arrange them however you prefer on your screen. And that's it! You've successfully opened Chrome Developer Tools in a new window, making it easier to work with web development tools while viewing your web page in full size. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.